how to timed finish in EA FC 25. First, you need to turn it on. So let's go to the settings, and you can do this actually in game. So let's go to the settings, then game settings. Then you want to come down in gameplay. So you see timed finishing here, and we want to turn it on. It does tell you about it on the right hand side here. If you want to read that, pause the video. But what I recommend is coming back into the menu, coming down to trainer, and you can hide everything. So turn it on, then turn everything off apart from the timed finishing indicator. So let's turn that on, and everything else will be hidden. This will help you with the timed finishing, especially if you've never done it before. It's well worth having this on. Then when we play the game, so let's get the ball back. You want to press the shoot, then the time finishing button will come on. As you see, I pressed that too quick. It tells you there too soon. So let's try again. Let's press the shoot, and then you want that green bar. You want to press the shoot again, and that's in the green, like that. Now you can do shots and it still goes in when it's close, depending on how good the striker is. However, that's how to do timed finishing in EA FC 25.